Guys, I have hiccups, and they're the hiccups that make you freaking throw up. Oh my god. Oh shit, a wasp. People are watching me vlog. Oh my god. I have hella hiccups. Anyways, that was my point. Does this mean I'm getting taller? Guys, look at the beautiful turkey. Oh my god, 25 pounds of turkey. It's golden brown. It looks so delicious. What's up, everyone? Happy Thanksgiving. Today is Thursday, vlog 119. Did you know that, Todd? Of course you didn't, because you never watch my vlogs. But yeah, it's Thanksgiving. I woke up. Oh, actually, Todd came in my room at 7 in the morning. He wasn't supposed to. I said, Todd, wake me up at 8:30, not freaking 7. He comes in my room, wake up. Pissed me off, so I went back to sleep until 9:30, and I just got out of the shower. My hair, I wonder what my grandparents are going to say about my hair. They're going to be like, oh, I can't believe you. Because she's religious, and yeah. Mom's got hot dogs and chili on for chili dogs. I'm not going to eat any. I'm going to wait until about whenever we eat, like 4 or something. I'm going to be so hungry because it's only 10:30 right now. But happy Thanksgiving! So I'm cheating one time. I'm eating a chili dog. It's 11 o'clock. Aretha Franklin? Ew, bitch is toothless. Why is she singing? Anyways, yeah, I'm cheating.
They got a damn rip in it.
Oh shit! No, those are holes for air. Suck in as much as you can. Ew, that looks disgusting. I just got off the treadmill and Brandon is still not here yet, Mom. Todd, call him. Tell him to get his ass home. Todd's watching the news. Mom, making all that racket. Shit, here, help me out then. Get off the bench. Oh my god, why is that dirty? I'm playing Minecraft now, waiting for the grandparents to get here. What?
She's waiting for another shot.
I'm waiting for another shot. I already had 2, and that equals to like 3 shots, and I'm like, I'm asleep. I'm asleep right now. The grandparents made it. We got potatoes, gravy, corn, rolls, turkey, ham, eggs. Don't know what that is. We got everything, and it's time to eat. This is my first plate of the day. Won't be the last. Shut up, Brandon. Currently on the toilet again, where I love to vlog at, to escape my crazy family. I just ate. I'm full. I'm actually not that full. I'm taking a shit to push the food out that I just ate. We're talking about Obama, Trump, Family Feud, our race, what we are. We're about to play pool. I'm gonna beat everyone. They're gonna be like, oh my god, how'd you do that? And I'm gonna be like, it's the gray hair. We're playing pool.
I've been begging you.
I win every game. They say I cheat,
and
but I'm just like,
she don't have these muffin tops on the side like
Jello.
Leo.
Oh, look at all my balls. I wonder how Lewis is doing down there. Is he still partying? That's what I said. I wonder how he's doing.
Guess it's karaoke time.
She's a brick house. She's mighty, just letting it all hang out. She's a brick house. I wanna know what you're doing after the show. Now it's up to you.